Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best 40 Volume Developer is probably one of the most powerful and transformative tools in hair coloring, capable of achieving dramatic lightening results, but its intense strength demands respect and a thorough understanding of its application to avoid potential damage and ensure stunning, vibrant outcomes for those seeking significant color changes or professional-level bleaching at home. Number 5. L'Oreal Technique Oreor Developer. Discover the secret to flawless hair color. This professional-grade developer is designed to elevate your coloring experience. It's an essential partner for achieving vibrant and long-lasting hair color. Use it with your favorite L'Oreal hair color products. Experience its rich, creamy consistency. This luxurious texture ensures smooth and easy application every time. Say goodbye to uneven tones. It helps deliver beautifully consistent color from root to tip. Achieve stunning, controlled lightening. This developer is also perfect for achieving brilliant bleach results. What we like. This developer boasts a rich, creamy formula for smooth application. It ensures uniform color and bleach results, preventing patchiness. If you are looking for consistent, salon-quality color application, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. MANIC Flash Lightning Super Strength Bleach Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for vibrant hair transformations. This powerful kit is designed to help you achieve your desired look with ease and confidence. Inside, you'll find a 40-volume developer and high-quality bleach powder. These components work together to prepare your hair for stunning color. Specifically formulated for darker hair tones, it ensures effective lightening. You can trust it to deliver consistent and impressive results. Experience dramatic lightening, lifting your hair up to 7 levels. This allows for a wide range of creative coloring possibilities. Committed to ethical beauty, it is both vegan and cruelty-free. You can lighten your hair knowing it aligns with your values. What we like. This is a complete kit, including both developer and bleach powder. It's designed for super strength, lifting hair up to 7 levels, even on dark hair. If you have very dark hair and need significant lightening, this kit is perfect for achieving dramatic transformations. What people say. Number 3. MANIC Flash Lightning Super Strength Bleach Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for vibrant hair transformations. This kit is designed to deliver powerful lightening results. It comes complete with a 40-volume developer and high-quality bleach powder. These components work together for maximum effectiveness. Specifically formulated to lighten even the darkest hair shades. Achieve your desired blonde or pre-lightened base with ease. Experience dramatic results as it lifts your hair up to 7 levels. This ensures a clean canvas for any color application. Feel good about your choice, as it is proudly vegan and cruelty-free. This product aligns with ethical beauty standards. Each purchase includes a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you have enough for multiple applications or touch-ups. It offers great value and readiness. What we like. This convenient 2-pack offers great value for frequent users or those with long hair. It provides the same super strength, lifting hair up to 7 levels. If you regularly bleach your hair or have very long, thick hair, this double pack ensures you won't run out mid-process. What people say. Number 2. MANIC Blue Lightning Hair Bleach Kit. Ready for a stunning hair transformation? This kit provides everything you need to lighten your hair effectively and safely. It includes a powerful 30-volume developer and high-quality bleach powder. These components work together to prepare your hair for vibrant new colors. Experience significant lightening with this product. It can lift your hair up to 5 levels, creating the perfect canvas for bold shades. Worried about unwanted brassiness? This unique formula is designed to eliminate those stubborn orange tones, ensuring a clean, even base. Feel good about your beauty routine. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with your values. What we like. This unique kit features a blue lightning formula designed to eliminate unwanted orange tones. It effectively lifts hair up to 5 levels while neutralizing brassiness. If you are concerned about brassy undertones after bleaching, this kit is specifically formulated to combat them. What people say. Number 1. Clairol Professional Crème Permanente 40-Volume Developer. Discover the secret to vibrant, beautiful hair with this professional developer. It's designed to work seamlessly with your favorite hair color, helping you achieve your desired look. This powerful 40-volume formula is perfect for significant color changes. It provides the strength you need for dramatic lightening and lifting, ensuring impressive results. Whether you're coloring, lightening, or lifting, this developer is your go-to solution. It helps you achieve your desired shade with precision and ease. Unlike ordinary developers, this one features a deep conditioning formula. It helps protect and nourish your hair during the chemical process, leaving it soft and shiny. Get professional salon results right at home with the 16-ounce bottle. It provides ample product for multiple applications, ensuring consistent quality every time. Elevate your hair coloring experience with this trusted developer. It's formulated for reliable performance, giving you confidence in every application. What we like. This developer includes a deep conditioning formula to protect your hair during the lightening process. It comes in a generous 16-ounce size, suitable for multiple applications. If you prioritize hair health during chemical treatments and want a professional-grade product, this one offers excellent care. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.